Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from thec'slife.com, and just like wanna do a quick little video for Christmas Eve. Well, I'm going to be doing a video for Christmas Eve and Christmas, but another gratitude video. I'm in Salt Lake right now. Going to be here for the remainder of the year, about like 2.5 weeks. So while I'm abroad, continuing to maintain the same habits, same sort of work-life balance, exercise every day, stretch, meditate, all of that good stuff. And I know this type of year, especially where I come from, right? I come from Brooklyn, the slums of Brooklyn, and Christmas and this type of time wasn't always the cheeriest and cheerful and fun times. It's always bogged down with stress, anxiety, depression, just worrying about what's going to happen when the year turns. So I always have this empathy for people who are going through this current situation. And I want to be a testament to the fact that you can overcome it, just through taking care of yourself first, right? Putting yourself first, doing what has to be done for you, right? You are a creator by nature. So creating meaningful and purposeful habits and ingraining that into your life would definitely, change your perception of your reality. And over these past couple of years, I've been going on this upward spiral. And, sometimes, you have your spikes, but then you become more aware this is natural, it is instinctual, it's human nature to always strive for more. Because once you hit a plateau, you kind of feel like there's no more there's no more room for growth. But then it's just, that seed that just craves for more, and it's just bursting through to that next paradigm, right? The next belief systems. Anyway, there's a lot to be grateful for, and I am thankful every single day as I continue to realize man, the abundance in my life currently. I wish I would have known the abundance around me earlier, but hey, you live and you learn. Life is a journey, and you are going to discover with each action that you take that you are enough. The person that you are today, yesterday, and in the future are enough. The fact that you have a beating pulse, right? You are enough. The fact that you have thoughts, means that you are enough, right? Just take care of yourself and just wish the best for yourself and others, and all of that will come full cycle to you. Very hoo-ha, far from my mentality, I know, but I think someone out there might need this sort of a pep talk, and I won't give up on you as long as you don't give up on me, right? It's sort of that. And even if you do, I will always show up as much as I possibly can to kind of strive for more and do more and be more, right? Anyways, I'm going to just snuck down here into the basement to record this video. I'm going to upload it to the YouTubes, to the interest space, and share it with the world, right? And now I'm going to enjoy the rest of this eve, doing the last minute shopping for the fam, calling all my homies, calling all the fam, my mom, my sister, my broskies, all of these people to kind of tell them how I feel about them, and, communicate and share that love. And you do the same. Till the next time.